This is an easy, savory, and delicious raw vegan dinner idea. On those nights when you only have 15 minutes, give this satisfying meal a try. It's packed with so many yummy textures, and it's nutrient-packed with essential minerals, amino acids, and protein for your body. I'm a big fan of growing your own sprouts at home. For this fresh garden salad, first chop up some tender kale leaves, then add in some chiffonaded spicy arugula, chopped green onions, sliced cherry or grape tomatoes, and as many sprouts as you desire to add. You can grow a ton of sprouts for merely a few dollars a day with little sunlight and water needed. And don't forget the avocado. Adding those extra slices of avocado on top is like adding extra slices of heaven onto your dish. For my dressing, I made my simple tahini dressing using tahini, lemon, garlic, and pink salt. Blend until smooth and then drizzle over your salad. This reel is merely one of the 5 recipes I've shared in the full new YouTube video I've just uploaded onto my channel. For more raw vegan recipes, you can download my Fully Raw recipe app, and there are more than 450 raw vegan recipes there for you. It's linked in my bio. I hope this video inspires you to eat more sprouts and to incorporate more fresh, delicious foods into your daily meals. Much love and mahalo, my friends.